Luna was watering her plants when a tiny robot rolled up to her garden.
Hello, I am Robo. I want to learn how to make the world green like you do.
Hi, Robo. I'll show you how plants grow. You just need sunlight, water, and love.
Love, is that a new kind of energy?
Yes, but it's not in batteries. It's in your heart. Oops, not too much. Plants need just the right amount.
With Luna's help, Robo learned how to care for the garden. Soon, flowers bloomed all around.
Remember, little ones, technology and nature can be friends if they help each other grow.
I understand now. Science helps us learn, and nature teaches us to care.
Exactly. Together, we can make the world beautiful.
And from that day, Luna and Robo worked side by side, the heart and the circle growing together. Dear heart. Click the